Good morning, everyone, and God bless you. My name is Marla, and I wanted to pop on here live to say that I'm going to be having a mock book event on a new platform that I just discovered, and I was wondering if you guys can pop on and join me on that live platform. I will be sharing that platform shortly after this video. It was Crowdcasting. If you're interested in also being a member of Crowdcasting, please let me know and I will give you a link so that you can give me credit for that platform. And I will explain how crowdcasting works, and I will also explain what my book fair, my book event will look like. And if you're interested in being a part of the book event coming in October, I would love to have you be a part of it and share your wisdom and your knowledge with people who are interested in Usborne Books and more. I'm looking for authors and educators, and I'm also looking for experts in curriculum, experts in schools, whatever kind of expert you are that relates to children's learning. Let me know, and please comment below or send me a private message saying that you'd like to be a part of my book fair coming up in October. I would love to have you, and I would love to promote your expertise. And let's work together and let's partner up for the better of children's future. Again, my name is Marla, and I represent Usborne Books and More, and I'd love to partner up and share your wisdom with the world. Thank you.